I have this Xbox controller to repair. The left top switch is not working. Welcome on my channel. Before I take the controller apart, I test it with the gamepad tester. And as you can see, all the buttons work perfectly, except for the top left switch. I've never opened an Xbox controller before, and I have seen that removing the casing is quite a task. First I remove the batteries. There is a hidden screw under the sticker, but first I have to remove the grip covers. And they are really tough to remove. Oh, I have to find that one. It sounds worse than it is. I use my hot air station on 100 degrees Celsius to heat up the sticker, so I can access the screw under it without damaging the sticker. I remove the 5 screws to get the top cover off and get access to the buttons. It's 5 screws and not 3. Now the top cover is off. It feels like something is blocking the button, but I cannot see what. I want to get the bumper trigger off. There are 2 clips, one on each side. And there you have it, it's a mechanical problem. And guess what? I ordered a new one from AliExpress and it arrived in the same condition. But before I order another one, I decided to glue the bumper trigger. I've had good experience with this two-part adhesive. Let's see if it's strong enough and hold the pin. And after 24 hours it bonded very well. I install the bumper trigger again and test if the pin is strong enough and if it touches the switch. Well, it holds even when I press very hard. Time to reassemble the controller and test it for the last time. Last thing, I fold the sticker back and it looks like new again. Okay, let's use the gamepad tester again and see if all the controls work as they should be. Everything is working again. The controller is used for several weeks now and the glue is holding perfectly. Thank you for watching.